My name is Maria YAZDANI. We're going to do a video walkthrough of 155 Stellar in Great Park neighborhood. This home is absolutely gorgeous. Premium loft and unit, exceptional view, and endless upgrade. We just reduced the price $50,000. Buy it before somebody else does.
This home is located a short walk from the Pools Park and the Parasol Park. The first floor is light and bright with a large living room. Kitchen with a grand island, stainless steel appliances, upgraded cabinets, Plantation shutter, designer ceiling fans, recessed lighting, built-in refrigerator, and the window provides a view of a green tree and plants. California room with the finished stone tiles, mature trees, fireplace, and a TV. Main floor bedroom and a full bath. Second floor has 3 bedrooms. Each bedrooms come with in-suite bathrooms and view due to the corner lot location. Your second floor loft and covered deck could be used as home office, game, or family room. You also have multi-panel sliding doors in all 3 floors to create indoor and outdoor experience. The third floor bonus offers plenty of space to be used for entertainment or fitness area. The spacious terrace comes with breathtaking view of the sunrise over the mountains.